Alright, we're going to tear into this 360 here, so you're going to be completely overhauling this thing, so let's rip it apart and see what we're going to have to do. Alright, we got the valve covers removed now. I already got the rocker shaft removed on this side. Pull it on this side as well. There, we got our push tubes labeled so they go back to the same spot. Now we move the heads intake. Go to pop it. Oh, there you go. I can already see one of these cam loops doesn't look the greatest. It's not that big of a deal though. I wanted to put a new cam in it anyway.
Now that we got the intake off, we can see the cam here. There's the cam gear there. And here's the cam. They push up on these flat tappets, which push on the push rods we just removed, and then the rockers open the valves. But what I'm looking at, if you can see that one, this one looks like shit. Anything you can feel with your fingernail is no good. You can take a look at this lifter. Got a little bit of, the lifter doesn't look too bad, but it's going to. That's going to continue to get worse and just eat the engine. This one looks completely perfect. That one doesn't look bad either. But this cam's on the way, it's way out. With lobes looking like that. That's without turning it. So you got to turn it over to check it better.
Alright, let's pull the heads off this thing. That way we can get a better look. Oh, looks like those valves were getting hot. Oh shit. This doesn't look very good. I was hoping it would look a little better than this. Wow, it sure has some scaly rust. This side doesn't look so bad, but this side looks pretty bad. We definitely got some rust inside the cylinder of the left side of that.
We got some rust in this cylinder.
Looks pretty rusted to hell. Looks like probably need to bore this one out to get these piston wells looking good. Wow.
Oh shoot. And this block is off to the machine shop. Gotta get her bored out.